Hey CloudOn fans! I'd like to take you through a short demo to cover the basic functions of the CloudOn workspace. I have already downloaded and configured my CloudOn account and can log in with the email and password I chose when I registered. To avoid having to type your credentials on each visit, select Remember Me and you'll be taken directly to the workspace the next time you launch the application. Once in the CloudOn workspace, see your network connection, edit your basic account settings, and access the help desk to provide feedback or contact support directly from the CloudOn menu. To choose how you would prefer to view your files, tap the View File button and select List, Flow, or Grid View. By tapping the Application button, you can create a new file in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Let's create a Word file. After tapping Microsoft Word, I give the file a name. Note that this file is being saved in the folder in which I am currently in. To start typing, tap into the file on your screen and the keyboard will appear. You can also use an external keyboard, but will need to tap into the screen in order for the keyboard to be recognized. Double or triple tapping text will highlight the selection. Once highlighted, you can make any desired edits, including choosing a different font type or color, or changing the justification. To activate track changes, tap the Review tab. Once enabled, Word will track your changes. These will be automatically saved along with any other changes you make. Notice that the File menu is disabled. This is because any edits you make in CloudOn are auto-saved. Once done editing the Word document, return to the workspace by tapping on the navigation bar. Note that CloudOn is saving my file. The navigation bar lets you move through your folders and view their contents. The Action button to the right of the navigation bar invokes the Edit bar, which contains a number of functions and actions, including Cut, Copy, Paste, Rename, and Delete, as well as Share File via link or attachment. To return to the navigation bar, simply tap Cancel. To move files to different location within the workspace, simply tap and hold on the name of the file or folder and use the Cut, Copy, Paste options in the Edit bar. If you are using an iPad, you can also drag and drop it to its desired location. To open any file, simply tap it. In this existing PowerPoint, I can edit text, slide layout and design, insert and move or resize images. To insert an image into a file, return to the workspace and open the desired image using the viewer. Tap the Copy button in the toolbar, return to the previous file, and select Paste from the Cut, Copy, Paste menu. To resize an image, tap once on it to show its boundary points. Next, tap and hold one of the boundary points and slowly drag to resize the image. To move it, simply tap and hold and slowly drag the image to the desired location in the file. When done editing, I can show the slides in full presentation mode, complete with animations and transitions. To share this or any file, I can send it as an attachment or link in an email. I simply select the preferred option from the edit bar, and an email dialog box appears. Enter up to 10 recipients from contacts, or by typing email addresses in manually. I can also elect to send myself a copy and/or be notified when the email has been received. Next, I have the ability to enter a message to include with the email containing the attachment or link. I tap Send and the email will be sent. A notification will appear in the workspace confirming that this email has been sent. To switch to an open file or another existing file, use the navigation menu. Locate the file, select it, and it will open in the appropriate application, this time Excel. Once in Excel, I can create a graph or chart using new or existing values. Select the cells by tapping and dragging across them, much like you would a mouse on your computer. Tap the Insert tab and select what type of chart to create. Once made, if any of the data values change, the changes will also be reflected in the graph or chart. I can also perform other Excel functions, use formulas, create pivot tables, and sort data with filters. Additionally, I can add graphical annotations to a file using CloudOn. To do this, I simply tap the Annotations button from the Review or Home tab in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. To apply an annotation to the file, I use my finger to draw around the location in the document that I would like to draw attention to. A box appears, allowing me to change the annotation shape from a rectangle or ellipse as desired. To include a text comment along with the shape, ensure the With Text Comment toggle is on. Tap into the comment box to invoke the keyboard and begin typing. Tap Cancel to exit without keeping changes to the annotation, or tap Delete to remove the annotation. While in the Review tab, you will see the Show Annotations button. This highlighted button indicates that all annotations are shown. To turn off, simply tap the Show Annotation toggle button and all the annotations will be hidden. To get to the file space, tap the Navigation button. The file space shows the history of every action taken on this individual file, including when the file was moved and edited. Here I can also make a note of this file by typing in the text bar at the top of the screen. For example, if I want to remind myself to update a document before sending it to the marketing team for review, I can add this note here. To record the note, I tap the arrow to the right of the entry bar and it is now displayed on the wall of the file space along with other actions. At any time, I can tap the navigation bar to return to the workspace. We hope this video has given you a good introduction to the CloudOn workspace and its capabilities. To learn more, check out our other helpful tips and videos at help.cloudon.com.